Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure you're signed into the Google account that owns or edits the site. This unlocks editing rights. Once done, open Chrome or Safari. These browsers handle Google sites reliably on mobile. Make sure to choose whether you only need to view the site or to edit it. That decision changes which interface you use. Now tap the address bar, enter sites. Google.com or your site's URL, and load the page so you can move to the next step. You may find the mobile editor limited, so if you need full control, tap your browser menu and request the desktop site. This gives access to the full Google Sites editor. If you prefer quick edits, use the mobile-friendly editor to change text, images, and links. It's faster and simpler. Make sure to save often, because autosave can be less predictable on mobile networks. Once edits are done, preview the page in desktop and mobile views to confirm layout and functionality. When you're ready, tap Publish in the editor to make your changes live. Google will confirm the published URL. If visitors or you don't see updates right away, reload the page, clear the browser cache, or try an incognito window to bypass cached assets. If people can't access the site, double-check sharing and viewer permissions in the site settings. Make sure it's set to anyone with the link if that's your intent. Finally, test on another device to confirm everything shows correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.